Today I'm going to be showing you the 3 best streams of passive income that you can use to build your wealth in 2022. And stay tuned because we've got a bonus 4th stream of passive income that many people don't know about. Let's get started. First is, of course, stocks. So you can create an index fund stock portfolio. Now you can pick your own stocks if you want, but there's a lot of studies out there that show that a simple 3 or 4 fund portfolio is a great way to grow and build your wealth. Now you can actually look up the Jack Bogle investing strategy. There's a whole forum online called the Bogleheads Forum. It's completely free. It shows you how to actually invest using Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard strategies. That's something that I've been using for a long time to build my stock portfolio. It's a 4 fund portfolio. There's 4 index funds that I buy literally every single day. You don't have to do it every day. You can do it every week, every month, whatever it happens to be. But I automate that process so that I have money that goes into these accounts and it grows every single week, every single day that you put money into it. The other strategy is, of course, adding real estate. So you can start to buy what's called turnkey real estate properties, which allow you to generate passive income. Now, of course, if real estate is your business, you might be doing flips and wholesale and all these other kind of active real estate projects. But if you're looking for long-term wealth, you're looking to mainly focus on your business, what you can do is you can buy what's called turnkey real estate and actually start buying real estate properties that are ready to go and generate you cash flow and appreciate over time. There's also a lot of great resources here on YouTube that talk about that passive income real estate investing, which is of course really, really great. So you can actually start building a real estate portfolio and growing that over time. I've got multiple properties across a few different states in the United States, and it's always great to have that passive income coming in and also know that my properties are appreciating in value over time and my tenants are paying for me to own the properties in 30 years once the mortgage is up. Now, in addition to that, you may want to look to put a small percentage of your portfolio into crypto investments. Crypto is very speculative and volatile, so it does go up and down. But it's a great idea to look into crypto and NFTs to see if there's certain projects that you like, certain cryptocurrencies that you like that you want to invest in. Now, I'm not going to advise on specific ones, but Bitcoin and Ethereum usually are the main big investments that you make. And then you can also look at some of the NFTs that are available as well and some of the other crypto projects. So those are the 3 main ways to actually start building passive income by investing into stocks, real estate, and crypto. If you're liking this video so far and you want more content like this, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now, the 4th bonus stream of passive income is a combination of 2 of them that I just talked about, which is a service called Fundrise. Now, there's a lot of other services out there like this, but Fundrise was one of the originals, and it's the one that I personally trust. But again, do your own investment research, and this is not financial advice. But if you want to take a look at Fundrise, what that does is it actually has what's called an e-REIT, an electronic real estate investment trust that is actually investing in a wide variety of different buildings and commercial properties and different real estate holdings across the United States. And instead of just buying one property like we talked about in real estate and buying individual properties, you're buying a fraction of a collection of many, many properties, including commercial real estate, which sometimes those deals are worth in the tens of millions of dollars. So it's not really feasible for you to buy one of those deals on its own, but you could be a part of a collection of people that buy them. So you could put some consistent money into a program like that that's going to be able to give you returns over time. Now, you do want to do your due diligence, make sure that you trust the certain platform that you use because this is a real estate fund. But the cool part about this is you don't have to buy the individual properties. It's kind of like one of the index funds we talked about where it actually has a variety of different investments in real estate all in one. So Fundrise is the one that I use, but you can find one that works for you. So if you found this video valuable, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend if they're looking to grow their passive income as well, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next video.